Hey guys, hope you're fine. In this video, I'm going to show you the way how to solve the questions on the practice test 10 given out by the College Board. So let's go ahead and get started with the question number 1. It says find z. So 2z minus z is equal to minus 1. Z is equal to minus 1. So question 2 says the television with the price of $300 is purchased with an initial payment $60. Initial payment is $60 and weekly payment 30 plus $30 per week. The price is $300. So the answer is C. So in the question 3, as you see, the answers are linear equations. So what we need to do first, we need to find the slope. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Or we can say this is x1, y1, and let's say x2, y2. Our slope will be 31.79 minus 21.89 divided by 20 minus 10. So that's going to be 0.99. The answer is not C or D because the slope is not 0.99. How we know that whether the answer is A or B? We can just substitute. When x is 10, y should be 21.89. If x is 10, y is not. So the answer will be B. Question 4, they say, how much greater is the height of the dirt column that has a base diameter of 5 than dirt column that has a base diameter of 2? 5, when it is 5, its value is 35. When it is 2, its y value is 14. So the question is 35 is how much greater than 14? We will write 35 minus 14, that's 21. Question 5 says just simplify it. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of x squared is x. The answer is A. Question 6. This is x squared minus 1. Can we write it like x squared minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. They have written that it is equal to minus 2. So x minus 1 gone. X plus 1 is equal to minus 2. X is minus 3. A is the answer. Question 7 says find f0. You know this is fx. When x is 0, y is 4. D is correct answer. Question 8. They ask for the value of 3x. As you see, this is 90 degree. So x plus 2x plus 2x is 90 degree. 5x is equal to 90 degree. X is equal to 18 degree. If x is 18, the equation is 3x. 3 multiplied by x is 3 multiplied by 18. That is 54 degree. In the question 9, you might find slope, you might find y-intercept of it, but for this kind of question, what I do is to find y-intercept, I need to equalize x to the 0. When x is 0, y is minus 4. Look, when x is 0, y is not minus 4, so D is not the answer. When x is 0, y is not minus 4 here. The answer is not A or D. It's either B or C. What I do then, when y is 0, x is minus 4. Look, when y is 0, x is 4. It is not the answer. But when y is 0, x is minus 4. It matches. The answer is C. So in the question 10, we are given the equation, and they say, if y-intercept of it is 0k, what is the value of k? When x is 0, y is k. Look, y is k when x is 0. All right, as you see, k is 12. D will be answer. For the question 11, we have to know the equation of a circle. Here, A and B are x and y coordinates of a center of a circle, and R is radius. All right, they say the center is 5, 7. So I can write the same equation in this form. X minus 5 square plus y minus 7 square is equal to radius square. If radius is 2, its square is 4. A fits. Look, for the question 12, they say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Cosine E, if they are similar, cosine E is same as cosine B. So cosine E is same as cosine B. Cosine is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. It is 12 over 13. B is correct. Question 13, they say in the xy plane graph of function has two x-intercept. What's the distance between x-intercepts? So to find x-intercept of it, we have to equalize the function, the equation to the 0. X squared plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. Can we write it like x plus 4 and x plus 1 as a factor? So one of the roots is equal to minus 4, and another one is equal to minus 1. The distance between minus 1 and minus 4 is 3 units. Question 14. As you know, square root of something, or x squared, or we can say absolute value of x, they all are greater than or equal to 0. Look, x minus 3 is the result of square root of 4x. So it means x minus 3 must be greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 3. 1 is not definitely, we have to check 9. 4 times 9 is equal to 9 minus 3. It is correct. So second one works. So it's last question on the multiple choice part. In the system of equation, A is a constant. For which of the following values A does the system have no solution? You know, let's write standard from A1x plus B1y is equal to C1. A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. The system has no solution if A1 over A2, the coefficient of x, is equal to B1 over B2, the coefficient of y, and is not equal to C1 over C2. So let's see, minus 3 divided by A is equal to 1 divided by 2 is not equal to 6 over 4. This part is not necessary, we focus on this part, cross multiply. A is equal to minus 6. A is correct answer. So in the question 16, we are given the formula. First of all, we need to know what's TC and F here. T is total shipping cost. Our C is shopping C units closer location. C is closer location, and F is farther location. So we are given that if total shopping cost mean T is this 47,000 and 3,000 shipped farther, 3,000 as F, the question is closer location. All right. So T is equal to 5C plus 12F. We are given that T, 47,000, is equal to 5 times 3,000 is farther location. Closer location we don't know, but 12 times farther location we know. So 5C is equal to 4,000. Oh, I'm sorry, this is 47,000. 47,000 minus this is 36,000. 5C is equal to 11,000. And C is equal to 11,000 over 5. 2,200. Question 17 is absolute value of equation. So how we solve this? We first write 2x plus 1 is equal to 5. And we have to write 2x plus 1 is equal to minus 5. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 1, 4. X is 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6. X is equal to minus 3. One of them is 2, one of them is minus 3. A and B are the solutions of the equation. What's the value of A minus B? Doesn't matter, you can say this is A and this is B. A minus B is 2 minus minus 3, which is 2 plus 3, that is 5. So in the question 18, they say the value is 200. And each year, the value increase 10%. So we can write it like 200 multiplied by, it is 100% itself. If you increase 10%, that will be 110%. So it means multiply by 1.1 every year for 2 years. It will be its square. They say 2 years after the purchase can be represented by the expression 200a. If it is equal to 200 multiplied by a, where a is a constant, what's the value of a? We can divide both sides by 200. We get a is equal to 1.1 square. It is 1.21. So question 19. Well, in the question normally, if you are asked both x plus y or some of them or difference of them, if we are given the both variables in the question, we do what? Normal I use combine method. Let's find some of them. 2x plus 3x is 5x. 3y plus 2y is 5y is equal to 2500. And here we have last question. U plus c is 5 and difference of them is 2. What's the value of this? The u minus t is equal to 2. So 2 multiplied by u square minus t square. Can we write it? U minus t and u plus t. 2 multiplied by u minus t is 2 once again. And sum of them is equal to 5. The result is 20. Alright guys, you watched the solutions for the no calculator section of the SAT practice test 10 given out by the College Board. If you guys have some difficulties with the objectives or the theory part, you might comment below. For the following videos, I will do my best to focus on those objectives. Take care of yourself.